hey, welcome to CFMotosiderider. Well, we're back to plowing a bit. Jeez, you know, it still didn't snow a lot. We only got maybe 4 inches here, if that. Jeez, you know, the last few years, I was, like right now, I am actually looking forward to snow. I'm one of the few people in the world who's probably looking forward to snow so I can get in there. I want a big pile of snow so I can plow and do a really cool video, but it was only a few years ago I was getting so sick of plowing. I was like, oh, please stop snowing. And it was getting really annoying because I was out there like daily or every other day. So here I am at the end of my driveway. I just did one swipe down the middle and now I'm going to go up the sides. We got a bit of a crust on the top of the driveway. We got a little bit of a higher layer of a crust on the edges. So I'm trying to get close to the edges and push the snow further back just in case we get more snow in the future. So anyways, we're heading back to the house here. You can see all the snow piling over the top of that blade, and it's all coming up on the hood of the ZForce. It's coming up the hood, over my windshield, and right into my face. I should have had my full face helmet on. So here I'm heading back towards the house. I'm going to do a turnaround, come back up. I don't normally have to do this many passes, but I want to push the sides out even further, the edges out further, just in case we get a dumping. You know what? It's been too good this year. We've only gotten about, what, 6 plus today, maybe 9-10 inches all winter. I can't believe it, if that. So I got a feeling we're going to get a good blast soon. It's been way too good. So here I'm going up the middle, and because I did the edges first, right, on both sides. So now I'm going up the middle, pushing the snow over to one side again. Then I'll come back down on the left side here, and then I'll go back up on the right and push the snow further back again. Here I'm just pushing the edges back because there was nothing in the middle, and I'll work my way back over the middle. Here we come to the road again. I'm going to stop here and throw those recycle boxes in the back of the ZForce. They're in my way, so we'll get them back in the ZForce and we'll dump them off at the house later on. So here we're going to do a good swipe here against the right edge of this driveway now. Push that snow back. This is a long driveway. This is one of my favorite features of the house. I don't understand why, but it was. I was so excited about this driveway. When I came to see this house for the very first time, I'm like, how long do we got to drive before we get to the home? And yeah, it's my favorite feature of the home. Especially at first, I just couldn't believe this. At my other house, we're in a city. It's just a normal sized driveway, right? And then I go to this. It's just so unbelievable. This will be the last time I go this way. Whoa! Here comes another good shot. I like those shots when you got the tripod and the camera up and the snow's coming at it. I didn't knock over the tripod this time. Bit of snow blowing off the trees here. Just love wintertime when the snow is fluffy. Just wish there was more. Gotta watch these poles too. This is why these markers are gonna come in handy when I get them. They should be here this week, I hope. And then I'll install them on the ends of the plow blade. I have my mirror in though. I installed my mirror yesterday. I didn't make a video about it. It's pretty basic. I think I should have got a different mirror that hangs down a little bit lower, but it's going to work. I don't plan on looking behind me much anyway. But so here I am just cleaning up the edges of the driveway. any snow that was left at the end. Lifting the plow blade up, pushing the snow up a little higher. Right here I got a cool shot. I stuck the GoPro down on the side there so you get a shot of the tire. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.